The Classic Mini is a timeless automotive icon, spacious, compact, and incredibly fun to drive. But today, we are taking this vintage legend into the future. By swapping out the old combustion engine and automatic transmission for a clean, zero-emission CMV-TE electric powertrain, we're keeping the retro charm but adding modern, silent EV performance. Let's look at how we did it. Step 1 was stripping out the old leaky petrol engine and automatic transmission. In its place, we installed a high-performance 144-volt, 25-kilowatt PMSM liquid cooling motor. This high-efficiency liquid cooling PMSM motor brings a peak power of 45 kilowatts power and 210 Newton meters of instant torque. To mount it up, we used CMV-TE's front drive solution. Motor comes with gearbox and CV shaft to ensure a smoothly driving performance. Next up is the brain of the operation, the 144-volt programmable PMSM motor controller. It precisely manages speed, torque, and power efficiency while communicating safely with the entire car. Meanwhile, liquid cooling enables the motor controller to maintain optimal operating temperatures under high loads, ensuring consistent performance, higher power density, and extended component lifespan compared to air-cooled systems. And for fuel, we packed the Mini with a high-capacity 144-volt, 105-amp-hour LiFePO4 battery pack, built with premium automotive-grade EVE cells. It fits perfectly into the chassis, giving us instantaneous, smooth power delivery without disrupting the classic weight distribution. When you remove an engine, you also lose the alternator and vacuum assist for the brakes. To fix this, we integrated a 500-watt DC to DC converter to step down the battery's 144 volts to a stable 12 volts, perfectly powering the original headlights, wipers, and accessories. For braking system, we added a dedicated 12-volt electric vacuum pump and tank, then connect with original booster. It plumbs straight into the original brake lines, ensuring consistent pedal assist and keeping the Classic Mini completely safe on the road. Inside the cabin, we kept things incredibly clean. We integrated CMV-TE's digital instrument cluster, giving us real-time data on speed, gear position, and battery state of charge via a direct CAN signal. For an extra premium touch, you can even option this out with a smart screen featuring Bluetooth, a reverse camera, and Apple CarPlay. With the plug-and-play wiring harness connected and an onboard 3.3 kilowatt air-cooled charger installed for quick top-ups, this Classic Mini is ready for the 21st century. It's clean, whisper quiet, and faster than it ever was from the factory. Want to electrify your own Classic? Head over to cmvte.com and find your perfect conversion solution today.